Happy morning, everyone. I am BG. I am an AIA life planner, aka insurance agent. I'm currently on top of Mount Pilatus here in Switzerland. I don't know if you can see. Let me check. Yeah, there it is. Yan. And gusto ko lang mag-share how thankful I am being here in the sales industry. Sometimes we drew some flack about being an agente or being an insurance agent. But for me, one of the best decisions siguro that I've made is to be a part of the sales industry. And for so many reasons. Una-una, of course, time freedom. I've been an employee before, and siguro katulad din ninyo, mahirap din mag-empleyado, di ba? I am nothing against employment. However, time freedom is one of the things that are limited. But because of the industry that we're in, yan, so at least na-appreciate natin that we can go anytime, anywhere sa mga gusto mo, schedule mo lang, right? Number two reason is income. Of course, sa sales industry kasi talaga whatever you're selling, perhaps retail man yan, product man yan, tangible man yan, insurance man yan, St. Peter man yan, di ba? Everything is a level playing field because wala namang hinahanap na degree di ba? Wala namang hinahanap na kailangan natapos mo ito, pumasok ka sa ganitong school, etc. But you just have to have the willingness to learn and the skills and the willingness to learn the skill at the same time. Yun naman ang pinaka-importante yun. So, that's it. And syempre income. Okay, so ikaw ba naman to be able to have the whole year income kapag empleyado ka in just one sale? It's possible. It's possible in sales, right? And time freedom, professional growth, right? I've been here with our company in AIA Philippines for the past 10 years, decades na. And I can say that definitely siguro one of the things that I've saved is yung time. Alam mo yun, na in terms of income, in terms of experiences, I have saved so much of my years na yung mga nagawa ko na and na-earn ko na kung siguro nagstay ako sa pagiging empleyado, kailangan ko pang gawin for the next 30 years, right? But alam mo yun, it has compressed yung time na yun and yung experiences na yun at nagawa ko siya at my age, right? So, marami pa mga bagay na gusto kong i-share but I just would like to share this blessing, no, na nakikita nyo sa likod ko. Ayan, because if nakaka-relate kayo sa akin, perhaps kailangan natin mag-usap. Perhaps this is something that you can also, get benefit from. Okay? So, one more before I go. Usap tayo.